San Miguel de Allende, Mexico's most photographed facade. And you're stuck in the back of a crowd squinting at it. A guide rattling off dates at Colonial, rushing you past centuries-old convents. No time to actually feel the story. Uvamai's San Miguel de Allende self-guided audio tour puts the whole story in your hands. Your access link lands straight in your inbox, a full audio guide, and an interactive map. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Stand before the soaring Parroquia de San Miguel Arcangel and wander the sun-washed heart of Colonial Allende. Lose yourself among the galleries of Fábrica La Aurora and breathe in the desert botanicals of El Charco del Ingenio. Browse hand-woven treasures at the Mercado de Artesanías. 12 landmarks, one unhurried journey. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand San Miguel de Allende, not just photograph it. Get your access link? Explore San Miguel de Allende your way for just $6.